Is Toyota's BZ4X ready to take on Tesla's EV empire in the US? With Toyota's stock on the rise and Tesla's dipping, the new BZ4X might be the key to Toyota's comeback. Tesla has dominated the EV market for years, but now, Toyota's BZ4X could shake things up. With Toyota's strong performance in the stock market and Tesla facing challenges, could the EV battle be taking a big turn? Stick around to discover if Toyota's new EV has what it takes to challenge Tesla in the US market. Tesla and Toyota are two of the most iconic car makers today, helmed by exceptional leaders with unique strategies. Elon Musk created Tesla to manufacture only a few excellent quality electric vehicles that will take the whole EV market forward. Mr. Musk's vision for Tesla is to challenge and transform the car industry with innovative ideas and forecasts to achieve affordable EVs. In the meantime, Toyota Motors CEO Akio Toyoda looks to the future more carefully, with a view to such a combination of the bow and the stern. Toyota has expressed concerns about the state of the market and the supporting infrastructure for full EV adoption, suggesting that EVs might only reach a 30% market share. He emphasizes Toyota's all-in approach by having a stake in all major car technologies, not just EVs. The new car is the Toyota BZ4X, another member of Toyota's growing EV lineup, aimed at everyday users who want an EV with trusted Japanese reliability. Still, Tesla is focused on supporting the EV segment, while Toyota offers a diverse model range to satisfy the market demand. The two are definitely going big, but in two distinct directions, making for an exciting rivalry in the new dynamic auto industry. All in all, while Tesla leads in EV innovation, Toyota's diversified portfolio and solid finances make it a strong contender in the US market. Comparing the degrees of divergence in the product strategies of Tesla and Toyota, they are somewhat clashing. Tesla maintains a clean slate of vehicles. It only has 6 unique electric models, and its combined sales reached 1.8 million units in 2023. On the other hand, Toyota offers 93 model types. Its vast portfolio enables the car maker to set a global record of 11.2 million units in the same year. However, only 25,000 Toyota cars sold were electric. They still relied hugely on hybrids and ICE vehicles. Regarding personnel, Tesla has about 140,000 employees, and while it may seem significant for a relatively conventional automaker, the workforce must be leaner because electric vehicles presuppose a different supply chain. Though directly has about 375,000 people on the payroll, Toyota has an extended dealer network and supply chains for ICE cars, making the total ecosystem of Toyota perhaps 6 to 7 times that of Tesla. From a financial aspect, the values were $18 billion of net income on the FY 2023 revenue base of $97 billion, a market capitalization of $461 billion, and a profitability return ratio of 3.9%. At the same time, Toyota has $47 billion in operating profit on $275 billion in sales. The company has $373 billion in market value, and the working capital turnover has more than doubled at 12.6%. This proves that while Tesla may be ahead of the EV competition, Toyota is financially sound and has a more significant portfolio, making it a rather formidable contender for Tesla's share of the US market once the Toyota BZ4X hits the market. Ultimately, both brands bring distinct advantages to the automotive industry, with Tesla reshaping the EV market and Toyota adding intrigue with its upcoming BZ4X. From an investment point of view, both Tesla and Toyota are lovely, but preferences may vary depending on future strategies, innovation experience, and prospects for financial development. As for culture at work, Tesla could appeal to potential workers interested in work that depends on innovation, while Toyota may seem to lean towards a more conservative approach. Tesla provides lessons on today's technological risk-taking for want-to-be competitors, while Toyota offers classes for long-term strength in strategy and focus. Regarding public benefits, Tesla's advances set the pace for the rest of the industry, releasing new technologies and designs of EVs from the shed. Toyota benefits are primarily about job creation, which is the approach CEO Akio Toyoda likes. Both brands offer unique benefits to the automotive industry, as Tesla's EV innovations reshape the market. Toyota leaves the audience waiting, particularly with the new BZ4X in mind, posing an intriguing contender in the EV market. Over the past year, Toyota's stock has surpassed Tesla, moving about 90 points higher, which raises significant questions. Currently, the stock price of Tesla is declining, and presently it is 46% lower than it was 2 years ago and 6% lower than 1 year ago. Once booming, the electric vehicle market is seeing some challenges. Sustainable sales growth around EVs appears to be gradually fading. Mizuho Securities cut its 2024 domestic EV growth estimate from 25% to 15%. Challenges include increasing inventories for EVs, as well as high costs. Purchasers of EVs are already early adopters, and subsequent waves depend on cost a lot more than the first ones do. China is increasing the affordability of new EVs, with BYD now outcompeting Tesla in numbers. Tesla has cut prices, but the company says there is only so much it can do to lower prices on existing designs. It wants to start a new, smaller SUV in 2025, but its Models 3 and Y are several years old, affecting growth. Tesla's forecast for 2024 is set at 2 million vehicles by Wall Street, 12% up from previous estimates of 2.7 million. Forecasters have also reduced the amount of expected cash flow in their models. However, Toyota has a much lower PE multiple at 11x and has grown 115% year over year compared to Tesla's 60 times. Performance by stock indicates that Tesla is struggling in the more competitive space of EVs, and Toyota's steadiness and broader production line also keep its investors happy. Hybrids now contribute a significant share of Toyota and Lexus's revenue, more than 33%, over twice the share of EVs. Compared to Tesla, Toyota has veered largely away from being fixated on the technology company's complete embrace of pure EVs. Having made its mark with hybrids with the continued dominance of the Prius, Toyota only pursued with a few other automakers in pumping so many resources into EV programs. This focus on hybrids is now paying off, with hybrids growing faster than EVs, which JP Morgan analyst Akira Kishimoto describes as a shift that can be defined as tidal. Kishimoto goes as far as declaring Toyota as his preferred stock, with expectations for hybrid growth to hit 22.6% this year, the key driver being small SUVs, in which Toyota's RAV4 dominates. Hybrids contribute more than 33% to Toyota and Lexus's total revenue, more than twice the contribution of EVs. This year, Toyota will sell only hybrid Camry sedans in the United States, with more than 50 miles per gallon fuel efficiency. This proves attractive to many drivers willing to improve their vehicle's efficiency without going for full EVs. Furthermore, Toyota hybrids are even more lucrative and do not entail burn losses or precarious profit break, even periods of EVs. Toyota has created another revenue model in a fast-transforming auto industry by continuing with hybrids. However, the company's current EV lineup has had limited impact, as seen with the BZ4X, which sold only 717 units in the first 8 months of the year. Reacting to what Toyota described as a slowdown in the global EV market, the car maker, currently recognized as the world's largest, has scaled back expectations for EV sales by 2026 from 1.5 M units to 1 M. Still, Toyota EV production will rise, but at a slower rate after the cutback. The company aims to deliver as many as 140,000 electric vehicles in 2024 compared to 100,000 in 2023, and, as per the plan, as much as 400,000 in 2025. The acolyte to Toyota's EV strategy this year, the BZ4X, also contributed only 717 in the first 8 months. While the Kia e-Sorento only managed to have 4,852 registrations for the same period, Wilkinson of data from the JATO Dynamics highlighted that Tesla's Model Y outsold it with 12,516 cars registered. Toyota has also worked with Chinese companies like BYD, FAW, and GAC to release models, including the BZ3 sedan and BZ4X crossover. In contrast, Lexus, Toyota's luxury branch, released the luxury EVs, including the UX300e and RZ models. When Toyota unveiled its plans to release 30 new electric vehicles by the end of the decade, these strategies were revised so that Toyota could adopt a production system that aligns with Tesla's. The exact value of this production cut is yet to be discovered. However, the company's efforts to fine-tune the EV paradigm indicate a less aggressive approach to the given market. We hope you enjoyed learning about the exciting showdown between Tesla and Toyota, especially with the new BZ4X shaking things up in the EV market. It's incredible to see how both brands push boundaries in their ways, with Tesla leading in innovation and Toyota bringing stability and versatility. Will the BZ4X challenge Tesla's dominance in the US? Only time will tell. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful updates and the latest news on the EV world. Thanks for watching.